Hey, hello from Bet 2020. I'm Alice Keeler. I'm going to show you how you can use these 6 tips in Microsoft Teams in your classroom today. Recently, I had a chance to try out assigning and collecting work from my students using Microsoft Teams. Here are 6 things I really liked. Assignment status. On the Assignments tab, after selecting an assignment, one of the status options is Viewed. This lets me know that the student at least opened the assignment. It also shows me not turned in or turned in. Feedback in Teams, I can leave feedback 2 ways on a student assignment. From the assignment page, I click on the feedback icon and the feedback box expands out right underneath. No extra mouse dragging or clicking. The other way is when viewing student work, a sidebar pops up to allow me to see the student document and give feedback and scores side by side. I can search a student's name. While giving feedback and assignment to a student, I can easily go to the next student or use the arrow next to the student's name to open a search box where I can type the student's name. Just the first couple of characters is sufficient to switch to another student. And rich text. This is huge. When typing an assignment description, I can do bold text, bullets, and hyperlink. And speaking of hyperlinks, I can display text for links. This is a big deal for me. When posting links, the site title can be convoluted. Teams allows me to type what I want the students to see rather than the whole ugly URL. And last but not least, activity feed for feedback. Is there anything worse than leaving a student feedback that they don't know about? That is the definition of wasting our time. Teams has an activity feed that lets the students know they receive feedback. What? What are you waiting for? Try it out today.